So I'll get to it. Hi and welcome to another video. This is a video about keeping drains clear and why it's a good idea to keep your drains clear that are sort of near your house. Basically it's a simple idea. It's to prevent flooding, and it's easy for water to build up in a drain, especially when it's full of grass. And as you can see in this video, the grass is quite thick in this drain, so I'm just using a whippersnipper to thin that grass out and make sure that when it does rain quite heavy, that the water can flow down into the drain and it won't flood this whole yard. So yeah, that's the purpose of this video, to just to make sure that you get in there and whippersnip out your drains. Otherwise it could have some serious consequences down the line, especially the way the weather is these days. So hope you enjoy this video, and leave any comments if you've experienced your drain blocking up. So I'll get to it.